Welcome to the 80s.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God, is that Richard Simmons?
Would you stop it? But right now we're looking at drop-in sinks and Formica and fluorescent lighting and a fridge that's not counter depth. Faux pas.
The kitchen does not reflect our style, like, at all. Like, not even in the least bit.
I swear to you, I'm in my mama's kitchen. This sink, it's the drop-in, it's 6 inches deep.
With the faucet that is not centered to the sink.
Oh man, this is...
I mean, this is nostalgia.
Yeah, it is.
So one of the areas I think I would spend money would definitely be my range. I mean, I cook a lot.
Right.
You know, a lot more than the average
That's
person.
your luxury.
Yeah.
Okay, Dean, your turn.
For me, I like gadgets and features, honestly.
Okay.
So I wouldn't mind seeing something like a cool sink that I don't need to touch the spigot.
Okay.
Your luxury is technology.
That actually is my luxury.
Isn't it amazing how that changed? It makes a big difference.
It does.
Makes a
It
big
makes
difference.
a huge difference.
I like to spend money on things like the countertops, the faucet, some great hardware. If I can save on the cabinets, we're not touching that, right? We're grabbing the handle.
That's a good compromise.
There's only 4 chairs at this table. You've got a family of 5. Tell me what's happening.
Because we only have 4 chairs here, we eat in the dining room every
You
single
use
day.
your dining room?
Oh, wow.
Every day.
You guys are
Every
unicorns.
day.
I mean, just so you know.
Just, yeah.
When I first saw the house, this was the first thing that I noticed, kind of all across the back. Being able to see this here, it's like I feel punished because I'm usually over here.
Facing a wall.
Yes.
We don't want you to feel like you're being punished. We absolutely want to celebrate your efforts.
And give you back some of the love that you're showing your family every day.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at the pictures. I had a Cavalier. I love Cavaliers. But
Where are the
where's
babies?
the kids?
Yeah, we actually haven't put a lot of pictures of the family up, but we would love to put a personal touch on this house.
Whoa, man. The room is just plain, right? It's just simple. There's nothing here yet.
It's just not welcoming. It's just not inviting.
These hardwoods, how do you feel about them? Do we like the color?
I don't love the color.
We've got to have some wall covering.
We have to.
We need some texture. I need some dimension, some depth. I'm thinking we might want to get rid of that wainscoting.
Here, you have the center fixture, which is going to be super romantic when we replace it.
Right.
So this is my office.
It could definitely use some updating.
This is where I spend the most of my day. I'm on conference calls literally from morning till night, and you know, kids running up and down the stairs.
Maybe we need to close it off.
That it would be perfect. I want to go more, you know, masculine and dark since we have some nice natural light.
And this dental molding, though? That's a bright smile. What about the size of your desk? You're here all the time. Is this large enough?
I think it can go a little bit bigger just for a little bit more of executive space.
Can you have a seat for me?
You want to be Dean?
Yeah, I just want to really check out your executive Zoom background.
Do I look like money?
Not quite. It's giving me coins, not money. But
It's an opportunity.
it's an opportunity. So what we do all love is a good swivel. Michelle?
Don't you love a swivel?
Yeah.
I feel like I do them for clients, but never for me.
We love it.
So what are we envisioning for the window? We have a 12-foot wall.
We get an 8-foot window. That means we've
Coming in
got
4
2 feet
feet.
over here. Window ends here.
Yep.
So that's fantastic. I know you're dying to talk about this dog bowl, aren't you?
Yes.
Open cabinet, right? Dog bowl, dog bowl. Up top, we do a pot filler.
A
that-
pot filler in the cabinet?
Yeah, that way it can fill the dog bowl all the time.
Wow. That's actually pretty cool.
That's a pretty
That is
cool luxury,
genius.
right?
Yeah. First, I want to take you over here, so just be open-minded with my idea, okay?
When somebody asks me to be open-minded, I always get worried. I'm meeting up with Laura today at the slab yard. We're looking for countertops for the London's kitchen and hopefully save some money. Laura's saying that we might be able to have large enough remnants to do the kitchen. This is good. Typically, remnants are what's left over from a large job, right? I'm all about the hacks, so using remnants sounds good, as long as I'm not sacrificing quality.
This is a marble. Now, most people don't want to use this in a kitchen, right? Because it can stain and
I'm
it's
those
only
people.
2 cm.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Is that available? Now that's an island.
That is an island. What about this beauty?
Ooh, is that green marbling? Princess loves green.
We have like 3 or 4 slabs of this.
So there's a chance I could get the whole kitchen in one material.
There's a chance.
We could really make an amazing kitchen with this. How much money am I saving by actually using these remnants?
So we had originally budgeted about $9,000 for countertops. So if we're able to use remnants, I mean, you could be saving between $4,000 and $5,000. Let's say $4,500 just to be safe.
Laura delivered. Not only are we on budget, we're $500 under.
The idea of having extra money for Anthony, we haven't covered a window yet. There's so many things. I don't even feel like I'm compromising here. I'm getting a product that I love. It's super durable. The Londons are gonna love it.
Absolutely.
And I'm using remnants. Like, that's crazy.
No, it's smart.
Okay, let's see the rest of them.
All right.
Okay, Anthony, let's settle this fireplace color question.
Okay,
Okay.
I like the white.
Boom.
Yeah, looks good, yeah.
This is better than I imagined. I saw cabinets out there.
You did. Watch ladder.
Better you walking backwards than me. And we have a cabinet panel on the back.
We do. So we have cabinet panels coming here, then we have the panels across the back, and we've got our 2 outlets and our overhang.
I see.
So our budget came in $500 under, and we're gonna use that money to do some makeovers on the outside.
This is how it's going down. We trim in hedges. I want to paint the front door black. I kind of want to make these look like more like topiaries.
Okay.
Like clean them up from the waist down.
Okay.
And just leave a little afro up top. So you ready to get your hands dirty?
Ready.
Recognize that I did this to make money as a kid. This was my first job. I've been an entrepreneur
You've
all
been
my
an
life.
entrepreneur since you started.
My whole life. My mama is gonna be very proud to see this.
How much did you charge?
$10 a yard.
Woo!
Oh, I feel like Paul Bunyan. Can you imagine if Anthony was here?
Oh my gosh, I would love it so much.
Did I ever tell you about the time?
Listen, when he was a whole landscape architect.
Yeah.
To the left, no, to the right.
I feel like I've done this wrong enough times to know how to do it right.
You're doing an amazing job on the corners.
Shut up. Come on, we're getting there. We're getting there. And can you imagine we got these on clearance, right?
Mulch, planters, door paint, sconces.
And free labor.
Ooh, it goes a long way.
And free labor. This is it, our final day before the Londons see their new house. What's that?
It's a mystery. Every box is a treasure.
So I wanted to give you lots of options about the dog bowls.
I like the idea of the bowl being just a little bit larger because it's such a big base cabinet.
I do think for the size of the cabinet, it does look good.
Will this take a lot of time or a lot of work?
Nope.
Easy?
Easy.
Okay,
You just
that's
have
the
to barely make it a little bit bigger and we'll cut it on the side.
Let's go with that one.
Okay.
Thank you.
Listen, the whole reason why we're here has arrived.
Oh my God,
wow.
Anthony, they look so good.
Voila!
Magic.
Ultra!
You did such a-
fabulous.
Oh my God, this fabric is everything.
These look incredible.
They look amazing.
Well, you know, on behalf of all swivel chairs in America, I just want to thank everybody for appreciating what I do. Oh. Faster, come on, I'm ready. And the audience is cheering, yay! Oh my God, I love them.
Wow. Well, the front already looks different.
I know. None of this was in the budget.
I know.
Hey, welcome to my house.
Where
How
are
are
we?
you guys?
We're great.
I feel like I haven't seen you forever.
I know, it's been a while.
How y'all feeling?
So excited.
You ready to go inside?
Yes, let's go
Let's
see.
go.
This is amazing.
Goodness. Dean.
This is an office.
Wow.
I'm just gonna happy dance back here, that's all.
I'm gonna
It's
happy
so
dance in here.
Amazing. It's so good, Michelle. Oh my goodness.
I just want to touch on the walls.
Listen,
I don't
I
know
love
what to
this.
do.
Doesn't that feel like classic
This is
man's tailoring?
amazing, yes.
Yeah.
But these swivels, oh my.
Those are your
my
Are these
swivels.
our
swivels.
chairs?
Your
My
swivels.
swivels. Oh my goodness, this fabric,
This feels amazing.
this had to set us back.
It actually didn't.
Really?
Yeah, this is one of those rooms that we had to spend a little bit more on based on the built-ins and things like that. But we got deals on the wall covering, and you own the chairs already, so we just had to buy the fabric. Dean, can you imagine doing your calls here?
I definitely can.
All these video conferences with a great background now.
I'm gonna turn on my camera on every conference.
Let's see how executive you look.
Do I look executive?
I mean,
Boss
this is
moves
hitting
being
on it.
made?
I'd say so.
Okay.
I'd say so. Dean, what do you think about the light? We've got more light in here than you ever had.
I definitely love the light. That was a big issue for me. The place is so lit.
Lit in both ways.
Okay.
Illuminated and lit. Let me know if you see anything remotely familiar hanging around this region.
Well, I certainly see a certain chair that we may or may not have had in the basement.
So how do you feel about the facelift?
I love the fabric. Again, these fabric choices are superb. Love the feel.
Classic again. A nod to The Office, but these curved lines make it a little bit more effeminate.
Let's see this dining room.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. This wallpaper.
It's textured again, guys.
This light fixtures.
The two-tone weekend. I love the oval on the table. It definitely makes us feel not like we're so closed in.
You like the Romans?
I love Romans.
This is a faux silk, a huge cost savings, and it's classic.
Absolutely. You know what, Michelle? I know before we talked about what makes me think luxury, but like this is it.
Oh, God.
This is really it.
My head is gonna be so big. I'm not gonna get in my car.
No, I mean, it doesn't get more luxurious than
I'm
this.
so glad.
It really doesn't. You know, I'm burning
Never
to
enough,
get.
is it, Dean?
No.
Just never enough.
I mean, it's right on the other side
You
of the
know
door.
what she wants to
Go
say.
ahead, just go.
I mean, we're
That
right
kitchen.
here.
I'm gonna push the chairs back under the table. I'm gonna be tidy.
Okay.
Let me open the door for you. Princess, how are you feeling?
I feel like I'm gonna faint.
Okay, here we go. Hold on to
All
Princess.
right, I got her. Whoa.
Oh.
This is amazing.
My goodness. I just don't even know what to look at first.
It's sensory overload in a good way.
Feels a little bit like a commercial kitchen, maybe?
It feels like a kitchen I'm wanting to cook in. That's what it feels like.
I know she loves this 36-inch range.
With 6 burners.
And they look easy to clean. I love that too.
You're so practical, I love it.
Tell me how you got this.
Another hack.
Okay.
This was a scratch and dent, but never fear, it was way down here. All we had to do was change that one panel, and voila, you've got your range.
But the vent hood.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Casement windows.
I love that. Bringing it outside in is just amazing.
Kitchen is all about Princess, but Dean, we did not forget about you. Wait a minute, how do you get it off? Just like that.
That is amazing.
You try.
That is
That
so cool. Now that is technology and luxury.
There you
I
go.
love this.
What about these light counters?
I love it.
We went light on the perimeter so we can take a little bit more of a risk on the island. Did you notice?
I did. And this green, you know.
I know how you feel about
You
green.
know how I feel about green.
So,
I love the color and the tie-in to these countertops. I've never seen this before.
it was all inspired by you guys, seriously. Doesn't it feel larger?
It
Much
does.
larger.
It feels so, like the length here
Can you stand that you got this much serving space in your kitchen now?
and seating.
Imagine holiday.
I'm already at Christmas. I know it's like warm weather,
We
but
just got here.
I'm ready for Christmas. Come on, bring it on.